Greetings, comrades. This is Caleb back with another small unboxing video. Now, as I mentioned with my Steam Deck OLED unboxing, that was the last big unboxing I'll be doing for a while. Unboxings from here with like smaller stuff like controllers, like special editions of games and stuff like that. And there'll be a little here and there and stuff, because like I said before, now that the roof's done and I got my big purchase out of the way, I'm going to be a little more conservative with my spending, so I probably won't be buying more controllers unless it's a good deal. But this is a controller I've been wanting for a while. I actually pre-ordered it, but once I saw it wasn't going to ship, I wasn't actually going to get it till September. I figured, no, screw that, just cancel my pre-order and just wait for it to come out, then order it. And it is here now. So yeah, again, proto-life tip, never pre-order anything from Amazon. Like, you're not going to send the date it's actually released. I don't know why you have to wait another month or so for it to come out. Like, you should be guaranteed to get it if you pre-order it. So if you have to wait even later to get it, then it kind of defeats the purpose of pre-ordering, doesn't it? Anyway, that little rant out of the way. Now, I got the other two Hyperkin Xbox controllers. I got the Xenon, which is based on the 360 controller, and I really love it. And I got the Duke. Don't like it so much. It's based on the original fat controller that came with the original Xbox. But me, when I had the original Xbox, we grew up with the controller S, which is a redesigned controller that was initially exclusive to Japan, but then like after about a year, all other regular OG Xbox packages throughout the world came with this controller. Well, the Xbox controller S. And Hyperkin has recreated that controller as well. Thus, the birth of the Hyperkin DuchesS. Yes, now unlike the Duke, which released a while back, this uses Hall effect sticks, which actually the Duke came first, then the Xenon, then the DuchesS. So I guess it makes sense why the later two would have Hall effect joysticks, whereas the Duke does not. And yeah, I wasn't a fan of the Duke. If you saw my review of it, yeah, I didn't like the comfort levels of it. The shoulder button placement was stupid. And you're pretty much paying the higher price for that little screen in the middle that shows the Xbox start sequence. That's it. So, not worth it unless you like collecting Xbox controllers, and it does make a good display piece. I'll still use it every now and then, but it's not going to be my go-to choice when it comes to playing Xbox or even PC. It'll just be a if I feel like it kind of controller. But this will definitely be a controller I'll be using a bit more of. Though Gamer Heaven covered a review sample of this a while back, and he said it felt kind of cheap. But that was like a month prior to the official release, so maybe they refined it a bit during that time. So I'm curious how that will be. But there it is, the Hyperkin DuchesS. Officially licensed controller, Xbox controller S replica for use of the Xboxes and Windows 10 and 11. Updated ergonomic design for modern comfort. Which actually, let me go fetch something real quick. Okay, well, speaking of the controller S, I have my actual controller S right here. And just so I can get a feel of what this feels like compared to this. Suppose this is an updated design, but we'll see. But yeah, I forgot how comfortable this feels actually. Though, given the age of the controller, naturally the parts are going to wear down over time. It even looks a little dirty. I need to clean this thing. Yeah, got the triggers, and gotta remember, the original Xbox One didn't have bumpers, they had triggers. Okay, so set that aside, and might as well check the rest of this here. Hall effect sticks, all accuracy, no drift or wear, precision impulse triggers, no share button for the Xbox Series X and S, added bumpers, mirror black and white buttons, which hopefully this is more comfortable than the ones in the Duke controller. I wasn't a fan of those. Vibration feedback for realistic experiences, headset jack, and detachable braided Type-C cable. Alright. Yeah, glad this put in a separate packaging this time instead of putting the sticker on the box itself, which, as much as I wasn't a fan of the Duke controller, I would have loved to have kept that box, but is what it is. I'm actually not using a knife this time, because reasons. Come on. I haven't cut my fingernails that much, but 2 more stickers on the side. You know what? Let me. I have a pair of scissors over here. I can use this. Yeah, I was really excited for this controller when they announced they're remaking the controller S. Which, yeah. I did have a PS2 and an Xbox, but I play more on the Xbox. You know, because of Halo. And I also played the Mortal Kombat games on there. I had a Mech Assault. A bunch of other games. I remember playing the Punisher. Man, it's such an underrated game. Maybe I'll find out one of these retro game stores one of these days, or maybe get on PC, I don't know. Anyway, took the stickers off. Now, the one thing I gotta give the Hyperkin boys, the packaging's nice. 2002, A Legend is Born. Because you remember, this came out like less than a year after the release of the actual Xbox console. Though again, this was a originally exclusive to Japan when it came out, and then 2002 they started to use this for all the other Xbox consoles because, yeah, the Duke controller, again, not the most comfortable controller, then it's huge too. Like, you look at it now, it could be the size of a console, let alone a controller. Yeah, 2002 A Legend is Born, 2024 A New Dawn. And here it is. Got the Xbox sticker and everything. Okay, he's going to put that aside. Let's go and get the cable. Have a nice length cable. And the usual stickers and pamphlets and stuff. Hyperkin sticker. Let's game. Thank you for your purchase support. Quick start guide. You know, usual. Don't shove it up your ass. Don't, throw it in your TV. Don't give it to your dog as a chew toy. All that stuff. And here it is. The DuchesS. And here it is. It's... yeah, looking at it here. Let me get the original controller S. Yeah, it's pretty much spot on to the controller S design here. Complete down to the grooves on the top around the Xbox sticker there. Even the Xbox sticker looks pristine. Yeah, yeah, I'm glad these have those little nubs there, because you see this here, because again, this is an old controller, we used it so much. They use these little like dots on the side here. They're kind of worn out now. Like, you can barely see them on this stick here. They're all worn out because we've been using a controller to death. It still works, but yeah. I'll also check the back too, see what it is. Yeah, it's even the back's pretty much the same. And you have that little notch right there. That's where you plug in the cable. Yeah, the triggers are spot on. The screw holes are a bit different, but that's fine. Now, moment of truth. These bumpers, how do they fare? Okay, the triggers here. Oh yeah, this is a much better placement than the Duke controller, because again, the Duke controller, they're like where my fingertips are now. That's where they would sit. Not the best placement for shoulder buttons, but I'm glad they thought about that with them here. And I'm glad they're down here, like right here, have a little more strain, but here it's a lot better, so that's good. But yeah, pretty much the same like features in your other standard Xbox controllers. You got the menu button, options buttons here. You got the black and white buttons, which again, these shoulder buttons will mimic those buttons. And we got the share button for the Xbox Series consoles. There's your 3.5mm headphone jack, which, yeah, the original Xbox did not. In fact, I don't think the original Xbox even had headphones, because even though Xbox Live started the original Xbox, if I remember correctly, you need like a separate like adapter to plug in your console in order to use headphones and stuff, because plugging headphones and controllers, that didn't happen until the 360. And even then, it has to be a proprietary connection. Whereas from the Xbox One onwards, you have a standard 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. But yeah, it feels just like the controller. So just one more time for comparisons. I hold this one. This feels a little more solid because I use thicker plastic. But yeah, this definitely feels a bit lighter. Yeah, the yeah, I will agree with Gamer having the plastic doesn't feel as solid as the standard controller S, but the feel of it is still spot on from what I remember. It's just with the addition of these shoulder buttons. Yeah, plastic aside, this feels spot on to original Xbox controller S. That alone makes me happy. So definitely going to be playing a few games with this on the PC and Xbox and see how it fares. Yeah, I have a few small packages coming tomorrow. They're supposed to come today, but there was a delay in transit, so they won't come until tomorrow. It's not much. It's just a little micro SD card reader that you plug into a USB or Type-C port to like read SD cards and stuff like that. As well as a few like small utility keys for work. Just something really nice to have. But anyway, the Hyperkin DuchesS. Looking forward to trying this out and see how it works. Anyway, this is Evan Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,